Hi. Yeah, I know. I've never looked better. Thanks. Actually, I want to tell you something we've been doing lately, and that is we've been putting our 3D printers to use by printing these ear savers. And by we, I do not mean me. But what these guys do is they actually attach to the loops on your face mask. They wrap around the back of your head and they remove the pressure from the back of your ears and basically making the mask wearing just a little more tolerable. And look, they even say Simplex-IT. If you're one of the people who are working in an environment where you have to wear a mask all day, I know your ears can use some relief, especially if you're listening to my voice. We've actually sent about 150 of these to our clients. It's just a way to help. You want one? So let me send you one. I mean, the first 25 who respond anyway. These things, they're not expensive, but they take a while to print. Send me a direct LinkedIn message with your address and I'll get a couple out to you. Don't put your mailing address in the comments, personal security and all that. So what do you think? Is this a good idea? Is this silly? Tell me about it in the comments below.